Good afternoon. Today I am going to teach you very important LAQ, chapter number 2 LAQ. First, you should try to understand the question. Question is, what are the causes for rapid growth of population explosion in India? Having said that, sir, first stage prevailed in India before 1921. In first stage, birth rate, death rate both are high. In second stage, birth rate remain high, death rate decreases. This regional imbalance is called as population explosion. Yes, sir. Having said that, in first stage, birth rate, death rate both are high. In second stage, birth rate remain high due to agrarian economy. Indian economy is agriculture economy. Mahatma Gandhi stated that 90%, 78 to 80% of India's population engaged in agriculture sector. Here, sir, we are developed but not well developed. Birth rate high, death rate decreases very fast. This regional imbalance is called as population explosion. In third stage, birth rate, death rate both are low, sir. Because of people are educated, sir. They are following family planning program. Women are educated. They are thinking that upbringing of children is not an easy task. They are thinking that more number of children, more number of burden in the families. Here, death rate, control of epidemics like cholera, malaria, smallpox, improvement in the supply of food, safe drinking water, expand medical facilities, education facilities. That's why here both are decreases. Now, sir, you should try to understand the question. Here causes population explosion. It means second stage. In this stage, birth rate is high, death rate is low. High rate of growth of birth rate, death rate decreasing very fast. This is called as population explosion. Now, sir, the population of India is increasing at an alarming rate, 1.87% per year. It means, sir, by nearly 2 crores. According to 2011 census, the population of India was 1210 millions. Means, sir, 121 crores. Each million consisting of 10 lakhs. Every year, India's population is increasing by nearly 2 crores. This is a very high rate of growth of population is called population explosion. Just remember, here population explosion means birth rate remain high, high rate of growth of birth rate, death rate decreasing very fast. These regional imbalance is called as population explosion. Now, I will tell you, sir, causes of decline in the death rate, reasons for decreasing the death rate. First, sir, elimination of famines and improvement in the supply of food in the country. Means, elimination of famines. Before independence, large number of population facing food problems are now eliminated, removing, sir, elimination of famines and improvement in the supply of food in the country. Control of epidemics like cholera, smallpox, malaria, plague. Means, there is no medicines before independence. Now, control of epidemics like cholera, smallpox, malaria, plague, etc. After independence. Next, sir, improvement in the supply of food, safe drinking water, sanitation and hygiene, spread of education, expand medical facilities. Here, immunization means, sir, against the diseases. Against the diseases. Poverty eradication, elimination of poverty programs, etc. will have their impact on the mortality rate. Here, sir, in this stage, death rate decreases because of food and supply increases in the country, sir. We are taking hygienic water, hygienic food, sir. Education expanded, medical facilities also expanded, sir. These are the reasons death rate decreases, sir. Now, causes of high birth rate. In India, the birth rate is high due to the following economic and social factors. First, economic factors, sir. Three economic factors. Predominance of agriculture. Here, predominance means with the effect of agriculture. With the effect of agriculture. Slow urbanization, poverty. Yes, sir. Poverty, now also 33% of population living under below poverty line. Rural people, particularly farmers, want large families as agriculture is their main occupation and the peaks of agriculture activity needs more labor. Since India is an agrarian economy, the size of the family is large, children are not considered as burden but an asset. Means, sir,